What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Dreame, and this is their all-new T20. Now, as you guys can see, this is their most powerful, they were supposed to raise $10,000 for this thing. Instead, they raised $1.2 million. In fact, they have over 5,000 backers. That's how much people want this, and I have a feeling it's because of one very particular feature. You see, the thing that you attach this vacuum cleaner to the wall to allows you to charge two batteries at the same time, one on top and one on the unit itself, and then things get a little bit more interesting. You see, the batteries are swappable, so when one runs out, you just have the other one conveniently charging, and boom, now you have a lot more cleaning time. So you can actually do big houses with the compact vacuum that you could shove anywhere. You can go clean your car, you can go clean your kitchen. It's super lightweight, and yet it has 150 AW of suction. The motor spins at 125,000 RPM, and it also has a 5-stage filtration system, all of which is cleanable right in your sink, which is really cool. And then, of course, my favorite part, all the different exciting tools that come with it. The most epic tool that it comes with is this really interesting V-shaped tool that automatically can clean hardwood floors, and at the same time it's able to clean full-on carpeted floors as well. That's probably the thing, and this thing's known as the V-shaped roll brush. It's really good for dust removal, it works on every single terrain, and it's anti-hair tangled. So basically what it means is it's not gonna get any of those annoying issues that you have with typical vacuum cleaners and hair. Every once a month or two you gotta go and clean it, or it will tie up and eventually burn out the motor if you don't clean all those tangles. Not the case here. Then, of course, there's also a 5-stage filtration system, and basically this can capture 99.97% of particles down to PMO.3 microns. I don't even know what that PMO.3 stands for, but whatever it is, it's so tiny that it is able to capture everything, making sure that the air is nice and fresh. Now, taking a look at some other tools that we have here, we also got ourselves the mite removable brush. Now, this thing's perfect for stairs, it's perfect for quilts, pillows, clothes, and basically this thing can get even the most stubborn dust out. It's one of my favorite tools. It's excellent for the car and leather upholstery and all of that because it spins super quick. However, it doesn't scratch anything or anything of those sorts. You just kind of roll it across, and it's as if you have a full-size vacuum, but it's a tiny little brush that's handheld. You also got yourself the 2-in-1 brush. This is perfect for keyboards, curtains, mattresses, and car seats. You can kind of shove it in there, and then you click a little button, and then it gets the sharp part, and then when you click it again, it brings up the brush part. You also got the Crevice Nozzle. So this thing's really awesome because you can actually attach it to the bendy tool that this also comes with, where you can get it and kind of move it around. You can pull it, and you can get into a corner or any crevice that you need to. Perfect for ceilings and windowsills and cracks in the sofa that you don't want dirt in because you have kids and all that. So that's one of the other tools that it comes with. 4 different tools all built into this really awesome thing. But all the tools are innovative in their own way. Like the Crevice Nozzle, it's able to extend. It just has its own cool little feature. Even the 2-in-1 brush, it's like a sharp part, and then it has the nice and soft cushy brush part, perfect for keyboards and things. But nothing beats the fact that this thing allows you to charge 2 batteries simultaneously, which means you can constantly keep cleaning. How awesome is that? Lastly, we also have 4 different cleaning modes. We got ourselves the eco mode. It's kind of weak. It doesn't make a lot of noise though. So if you're looking for, that quiet mode for when the kids are sleeping, this is perfect. This is medium. And then of course we have the automatic mode, and this will make sure you maximize battery life, which, speaking of which, you can get up to 140 minutes with 2 batteries and around 60 minutes with 1 when it's set to an okay suction mode. Last but not least, we have the most insane mode of them all. This is turbo mode. This gives you not too much battery life. However, it gives you an insane amount of suction. You're only going to get around, 8 to 10 minutes of battery life. However, this is the 150 AW mode. This is turbo mode. When you set it to this, oh my gosh, you can hear it, but let me tell you, it cleans like a champ. And let's say you're not a fan of the fact that you have to keep pressing the button to have it keep cleaning. Well, there's a continuous mode as well. So you just click that button at the top. It will lock the power button so it stays on. So it's not something temporary that you're cleaning. It's something, like the whole house. You don't want to hold that button down because it just takes too much work. Lastly, cleaning this thing is very simple. You do get yourself a little detachable dust cup, and everything's washable, cleanable, really nice. And just like that, you're pretty much set to go. Comes in around 3 pounds, everything in the box, and you're pretty much set to go. Get this, it has around the same amount of suction as the V11 from Dyson, but at like half the cost. So why would you not consider this? Anyhow, guys, link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me